The skies may not be so friendly in the near future. The transportation secretary says that he will cut flight capacity by 10% at 40 major airports starting Friday morning due to the government shutdown. Flights now becoming one more pain point added to the hundreds of thousands of furloughed federal employees and millions of Americans struggling to make ends meet. NBC's Alice Barr has details from Washington.
This morning, the stalemate in Washington bringing new gridlock in the skies.
Yeah, it's going to impact the everyday lives.
Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy announcing major flight cancellations are coming with a 10% reduction in flights at 40 of the nation's busiest airports starting tomorrow.
We are working with the airlines. They're going to work with passengers. But in the end, our sole role is to make sure that we keep this airspace as safe as possible.
The secretary citing government shutdown-driven staffing shortages because of air traffic controllers and TSA officers working without pay, now calling in sick to work side jobs. That paired with delays and reductions in federal food assistance benefits for families in need.
It gets a few calls saying, like, we don't know what the kids are going to eat.
Adding to the urgency to strike a deal.
Leader Jeffries and I this morning demanded that Donald Trump sit down and meet with us.
President Trump acknowledging the shutdown may have hurt his party in Tuesday's elections.
The shutdown was a big factor, negative for the Republicans.
While Democratic leaders are holding the line on boosting health care provisions in any deal to reopen the government, bipartisan talks between rank and file members are ramping up.
We've had the election. Now we can all reopen and now find a way forward now.
A way forward to restore stability for American families. Back on air travel, the Transportation Secretary warned that if the shutdown goes for another week, parts of our airspace may need to be closed. President Trump is increasing the pressure on Senate Republicans to get rid of the filibuster to end the shutdown, though the Senate's top Republican says he doesn't have the votes for that. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.